Okay, we are determining the meaning of words using synonyms. Synonyms are words that mean the same. The S in synonyms is like same, synonyms. This is also our code for finding this is WDU. This is in the 4th grade HH.2 section. So we can have this read it to us. Ms. Lloyd will read it while we're doing this video. Read the passage, then select the synonym of the word in bold. In 2009, scientists discovered a peculiar rat in Papua New Guinea. This unusual animal weighed 3.5 pounds and was 32 inches long. That is one large rat. So, what would mean the same as peculiar? Which word? Scientists discovered a peculiar rat. Something about this rat. This unusual animal. Well, one time they say it's a peculiar rat, and the next time they're saying unusual animal. So I'm thinking unusual. All right. The next one. What is the meaning of the word peculiar as used below? Use the synonym to help you determine its meaning. In 2009, scientists discovered a peculiar rat in Papua New Guinea. This unusual animal weighed 3.5 pounds and was 32 inches long. Was he ugly, useful, or strange? It's going to be the same as peculiar and unusual. Ugly, useful, strange. I think unusual is usually strange. All right. Did you read the short article about the history of chocolate that I gave you? I thought it was interesting for such a brief look at the topic. A brief look at the topic. Why, no topic is chocolate. They're talking about chocolate. Did you read the short article about the history of chocolate? So the topic is the history of chocolate. I thought it was interesting for such a brief look at the topic. Well, brief, thinking maybe a short article. A brief is a short article. So short, maybe, or article. I don't know. I'm going to try article. I wasn't right. I'm not going to just quickly go on. I'm going to look and see why I got that wrong. The correct answer would have been short. I thought it might have been short, remember? Okay, so why? Let's go look at this. Did you read the short article? Yeah, that's what I answered. Well, it needs to be a synonym. Synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same thing. When you see words you don't know, you can use synonyms or context clues to help you figure out new words. They give us an example right here. Tracy Austin is crowned champion of the U.S. Women's Open in 1979. At 16 years old, she is the youngest ever winner of the event. Champion and winner. Synonyms. Winner can help us understand what champion is. So short was to help us understand the word brief. Okay, now I got it. I want to try again. What is the meaning of the word brief as used below? Use a synonym to help you determine its meaning. Did you read the short article about the history of chocolate that I gave you? I thought it was interesting for such a brief look at this topic. I know what this is. Oh, hold on. They want me to go farther. Short and brief. Okay, short and brief. They both mean short. Without pictures. Almost complete. Not long. I don't think it has anything to do with pictures. Almost complete. Well, complete would mean all of it. Not long. Well, not long is short. So if brief means the same as short, then brief should mean not long. Okay, let's see. Good work. Our dog Rex has very coarse fur, especially on his back. When I pet him, his fur feels rough to the touch. Coarse. How his fur is. Something about his fur being coarse fur. So that's how you do these. You're looking for the synonym, the word that's the same as the bold word. Oops, I meant to turn off the recording.